Here's part 2. Next are these two. This one is like an octopus alien. And this one is an octopus. Or a duck. I've heard some people call it a duck. Next is this butterfly. And this is also double-sided. It's a Pop-It stack. Next is this Pop-It fidget spinner. It's hard to do with one hand. Then I have these two Neatos, which in fact I need to wash because they're kind of dirty. I have this infinity cube and this tangle, some monkey noodles, 6 roller rings, some putty, and this homemade dimple. Again, hard to do with one hand. Bye!